Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're going to make a little vlog right now. Actually, we're going to have a separate cooking video, but right now we're going to go get some stuff to cook, and we're also going to go to the jewelry store and get some earrings and different stuff, and yeah, some other stuff too. We're going to show you the town. So yeah, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. See, look you guys, I don't have any earrings in right now, and I hate when I don't have earrings. So the last few earrings that I got, were like some little cheap earrings, and they broke. Actually, Biko got me some nice earrings the other day, but they still turn green, you know, when the color changes. So yeah, we're gonna get some more stuff now. Alright guys, so we're gonna take a taxi now. But for all who keep saying there's no car here, there's a blue car in the back, but we're just gonna take a taxi now. Yes, because they keep lying. I don't like liars. Why? Okay. It's like a repeat of the other day when we were sitting here. Okay, we're gonna catch a taxi. Yeah, so while we're gone, someone's gonna watch the store. And yeah, I'm really excited to show you guys like the town a little bit and where we're gonna go. Okay, guys, look, he just went and got me these two cute earrings. So can you explain what you're saying about this one?
Yeah, this is a leaf, so I say I like it because this go with nature. So it's a little small leaf. Come close and let them see.
Okay.
It's two leaf.
Yeah, it's really pretty. That one's silver.
Yeah. It's a silver with a diamond in it. And this are gold.
Yeah.
You know where you go.
So they're really pretty, so I'm gonna try them out. He said he wants
to buy a girlfriend gifts this year. We'll let it for your next month.
But he wanted to put them in my ears himself. But I said it's okay, I'll do it. Guys, he doesn't really know how to put earrings in. Oh, actually, you have your ears pierced, so you do know. And somehow he knows about makeup. He knows what is foundation. Do you know what?
Our poor system we have.
But no, years ago, like a lot of people don't know what's foundation. I asked someone years ago if they can buy me foundation, and they thought like foundation was just any makeup. Like they didn't know it was the thing that goes on your skin. So they just bought anything and said, here's foundation. Okay. Yeah, his sisters are the ones that make him know this. On a different day, I don't think I posted a video yet, he painted my nails. It was really cute. My toes, he painted them. It was really nice. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna put these in now and come back and show you guys how it looks.
Yes.
Oh yeah, this looks good. That's really nice. It's funny now, since I was used to wearing the other ones, they feel more heavy than before. But these ones, the leaf ones, will feel light. So tomorrow I'll wear the leaf. That's funny. You guys are watching my video. He's reading all the comments. Okay, so I'm gonna go walk. What was your boyfriend on Drizzy Burke show with 6 balls? And I said no. No, right? I said no, but he knows him. What? So weird. It's a ghost call.
That looks so good.
From.
But that's your guys. One of his phones is getting a call from his other phone now, but we're on that phone, so it's really creepy. And then when we try to answer, no one answers. That means it's God calling, right?
Can you see it then?
True. Could be Satan. You never know. I feel like Satan would be the one to call on phone. God would just talk in their ear.
Satan can't call me.
If he labels his name Satan, he would never answer, so he has to label it as you. This is a one Satan, guys. Satan. When demon lives in him. Look, you can see the demon. Alright, anyway. I'm gonna do a really exciting video today because we're gonna go all around Portland and show you different places. So first we're gonna go to the market, and you're gonna see everything that we're gonna get there. They have like a lot of fruits and vegetables and other stuff too. And yeah, we'll show you everything of how we get there and the town on the way. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and keep watching. Okay guys, we're gonna catch a taxi now because the car we have is back there, but we don't want to take the car to go to the market. And also we want to show you how to get a taxi. So, it's raining. You feel the rain? It's raining. Okay, so yeah, all you have to do is stand here and put your arm out, and that can get you a taxi. You always start talking, but I shut it off. Okay, I'm gonna get a hat too today. So yeah.
Something like this.
Yeah, something like that. Exactly like that. But maybe a white one or something.
Okay.
Yeah. Or we can get the same one and be matching.
Alright.
Okay. Alright guys, we changed the plan a little bit because when we were trying to go to the market it started raining really bad. So now I'm just going to go to the pharmacy. And by the way, if you guys want to know how much it costs for the taxi to go into town, it's $150 Jamaican. Pretty much to go pretty far, but I go really close, so it's kind of a waste. $150 Jamaican to go there and $150 Jamaican to go back. And you can see there's a customer here. So yeah, I'm just gonna go into town and I'll show you that a little bit. But yeah, for the whole like farm, like the fruit market and everything like that, I'm gonna do that in another video, but stay tuned. Guys, I just did the shopping, so look how pretty this is when you're waiting for a taxi. The water is literally right there. So pretty. So yeah, just waiting for a taxi. I got this big bag of stuff, but it's mostly just like groceries from the supermarket. So yeah, we'll see how long it takes to get a taxi. Guys, also I got this cornbread at the supermarket. Obviously, this is not real cornbread. It's really funny. It says cholesterol free. Like, this is like fake bread in a bag. But anyway, yeah, so I got it because I've been wanting to get cornbread or make cornbread for like months ever since I've been here. So yeah, we're going to try this and see if it's good. I'll let you guys know. Alright guys, update on that cornbread in air quotes. That doesn't taste anything like cornbread. It was pretty good, but it just tastes like a regular roll. So nope, I'm giving that 0 out of, no, I'll give it like 5 out of 10. But you guys, pay attention because the other day I got cranberry lychee juice and I read the ingredients after buying it and there was literally no lychee in it. None. And on the cover it said cranberry lychee juice with big picture of lychee. Imagine. So, okay.
A fun fact, you guys,
you know
Pico
this is
loves
part
these
two?
like Asian movies, like old Asian movies about like kings and queens and castles and war. It's really funny.
Oh, okay. You have a good memory.
What happened that day? The loss of my mother and that of my child
Okay.
will forever be in my
I think
mind.
this movie I didn't understand the last time. I think I didn't understand the last time.
My mother, who protected me with her own life, would never again.
Chinese tradition, we just kill themselves or something like that.
Yeah, I've heard that like if their family feels ashamed of them, they kill themselves and then their family feels better. Like their honor hasn't been destroyed.
I will take care of your children in lieu of your presence. When you ascend.
Guys, I'm trying to pass and there's a cow here and Killer Bean's gonna try and get the cow. This is where I normally walk. Is your cow? Yeah. Oh. It's a lady's cow over there. Killer Bean. It's a war, you guys. It's this lady, that's her cow. And this is the way I normally walk to the river, but I can't.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you in my next video.
It's kind of like a small cow, but still. Cows run down people, you guys. Lots of people have been killed by cows.